In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set limit orders inside of Tradovate. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradovate.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here it should bring something like this once you're logged inside of your account, and from here you'll need to set a limit order. And to do that, you still need to go up here to the trading option up here, and from here you'll need to choose the symbol that you want to trade, and from here you'll need to select the quantity. So let's just choose 1 for this example, and from here you'll need to go down to order type to change it from a market to a limit or a stop limit. You can also down here change it to trial stop limit if you want to do that, but for this tutorial I'm just going to choose limits. From here you can change the flags and the release and click send. Once you click send, your order will be pending until the market opens and goes through. And then from here, you'll see your orders down here and your positions over here. And once it buys, the positions will automatically update to say that you own this specific symbol that you just bought or position that you just bought. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!